Ejuru Secondary School in class 10. Now we are going to do the experiment based on pressure unit, and the question is, egg is placed in a glass filled more than half with tap water. It sinks, but when salt dissolved in water, the egg starts to float. Why? So I am going to put the experiment. First of all, we have here tap water and egg and then salt. So first of all, I am going to put the egg in the tap water. It gets sink. And now we are going to add salt in tap water. I'm going to take it out and put it once again. You can see that it is coming up slowly due to the upthrust. Experiment, we can see that when we put that egg in the tap water, it gets sink. Why? You know that? Because there is the less density of water than the egg. The egg have more density than the water. Then in next experiment, we add a lot of salt in the tap water, and we can see that the egg is floating up due to the upthrust because the water have more density. The salt water have more density than the egg. That's right. Now friends, I'm going to add this egg inside the tap water. We can see here the egg gets sink because the density of water is less than the density of egg. Now I'm trying this to another one. Just take it out and put it inside the salt water, and we can see the result that the egg is floating because of the upthrust, and the density of salt water is more than the density of egg. Thank you.